Hello my loves, comment ça va? So one of the things about Paris is that every arrondissement has its own personality and its own fashion, which is why in today's video we're going to be dressing like a 16th arrondissement mom. The number one thing to know about getting the fashion right for a 16th arrondissement is that every single thing you have on has to be expensive, but it also has to look like you just casually threw it on and just walked out of the door. So normally this jacket should be Chanel, but I don't have a Chanel blazer. I do have some other designer blazers, but they're all in black and it's spring, so I want to keep my little springy look. So instead I'm doing this, which I got from Nordstrom, but it looks like a Chanel blazer, so it's good enough. I'm going to do these Madewell sneakers. They're absolutely one of my favorite. I love them. They're not super expensive, but they're expensive enough that the masses don't just own them. And for our bag, because we definitely have to have a luxury bag if we're going to look like a 16th arrondissement, I'm doing this Burberry bag. See a little bit more variety in luxury bags, I would say, in the 16th arrondissement than you would see, for example, in the 7th. And I would also note that if it was a 7th arrondissement, I would have on completely different shoes. We're gonna do 16th today, but we'll do 7th arrondissement in another video. This is the outfit. All right, let's see what I can get up to today in this cute little fit. It's way overdressed in my arrondissement, so I feel a little ridiculous. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Hello my loves, yet another outfit where we're channeling a 16th arrondissement mom, and I'm going out for a birthday party. It's at somebody's house, and so because it's at somebody's house, I'm like kind of getting into like the casual chic vibe. First and foremost, going with black denim because I noticed there's of course a lot of black, and for some reason, particularly when you're dealing with like these chic ladies, they love to have a pair of black denim. And just in case you're wondering, I see a lot of the 16th arrondissement moms because I go shopping a lot in the 16th arrondissement. They're an interesting crew. So for this outfit, I'm doing my black Levi's denim, my Gucci belt. This top is from Cezanne, and I've tucked it in to give it the structure because they always have a lot of structure. I have this little bag from the Moschino H&M collab, so we got that. I have these Jimmy Choo sling bags. So here is the final look. All right, my loves, hope you like the outfit. I'll talk to you later. Bye. All right, my loves, yet another day of dressing like a 16th arrondissement mom. And today we're doing the cool mom, the one that has little kids and is quite cool and chic, and basically had to move to the 16th arrondissement because she needed more space. For this look, we're doing a leather jacket. Could easily do a black leather jacket, but you know, when you have something a little bit more fun, why not add a little bit more personality? This is a black and white fringe jacket like this that I got from the US brand, the Mighty Company. Absolutely love this brand. Love their leather. I've been a huge supporter since, frankly, the company was founded. And then for the shoes, because of course the 16th Arrondissement mom needs something luxe, we're doing our Gucci loafers. And for the bag, remember how I said normally she would have a designer bag? The thing is that I'm running a few errands, and part of that is going to take me on the street where I was almost robbed, so I don't want to do an overly nice bag. So I'm gonna go with my Coach bag, but just know if I was doing it fully, then it would be like a Chanel bag. And the one thing to note about the leather jacket is that literally all you do is put a gray tee on underneath it. I've seen this look on so many of these moms, it's kind of funny to me, but yeah. So this is it with the sunglasses. All right, let's go, my dears. Let's do our errands. I think the 16th Arrondissement is like a beautiful quartier. I believe that I know the apartments are beautiful, and there's just like so much more space generally than a lot of the other quartiers. There's like it's like an old money quartier. But with that said, I have no desire to live in this quartier because it's just like, because it is all old money Parisian, it's just not, I don't know, it's not my vibe. Hello, my love. So today is the last day of dressing like a 16th Arrondissement mom, and I wanted to show you an outfit that had a bit more color and also that was a little bit more dressed up because I am off to church, and this is just another interpretation of the 16th Arrondissement mom. So this is the outfit of the 16th Arrondissement mom who has a little bit of Bobo in her, and Bobo is a term that the Parisians use. It's called Bobo Parisian, and it's just this funny little phrase that's a little bit hard to describe. Like maybe it's kind of like bohème, I think would be the simplest way of describing it. That's why I'm doing these really big, large pants. These pants are from the Frankie shop. So because I had the pants cut intentionally long, I have no choice but to wear like platform heels. And then of course, like every 16th Arrondissement mom, she would have a designer bag, right? And so for this outfit, I'm doing my Gucci bag. And my top is one of the brands the 16th Arrondissement moms love, is Fontaine. So this is a slightly Bobo version of the 16th Arrondissement mom. So there you have it. I hope you've enjoyed getting to see a sense of the 16th Arrondissement mom and how she dresses. I will be doing more videos on this. I will definitely do one on Bobo because I love Bobo Parisians, and I feel like you could spot them like a mile away. And I just love them. There are a lot of Bobos in my beekeeping course. This is the outfit. Let's go out, let's go to church, and let's be a somewhat Bobo 16th Arrondissement mom. Talk to y'all later. Bye.